Hey, Grampzquad back here with another quick little video. This is a thermostat on a 2009 Cadillac CTS. I think it's from 2008 to 15. I'll leave that in the description. How to change the thermostat. Engineers have managed to put the thermostat at the very back of the engine, so it's really not very easy to get to. I'll show you how you do it. Alrighty, so first you have to take your radiator out, your radiator fan, front timing cover, timing chains, take your heads off, all your air intake and all that stuff, and then there you go. Thermostat right at the back. So not too much work to get there. Just kidding. Don't have to do that. I'm doing head gaskets and timing chain on this engine, so you don't have to go to all that trouble. But here's what you're going to have to take your windshield wipers off and this cowling piece out, and then you can get down from back there to your water pump, or what I mean your thermostat. Water pumps up here. So just quickly here, you got two 10mm bolts on top holding the thermostat in. This is a good angle to see because it's kind of hard to show otherwise. There's a little 10mm right here holding on this pipe, this coolant line here. And I believe that's a 13mm holding on this, the pipe on this side, on the passenger side. So the problem is you can't get that out unless you've got, see these, that hole there and that pipe there. They're attached to the head with a 15mm bolt. So for these pipes to move, you're going to have to remove, I'm not sure, maybe one or both. I would probably do the one over here on the passenger side, undo the bolt that goes through that bracket that's attached to the coolant line and the head. That way, when you undo that one and these, you could probably pull it up and away and back to the side. All right. Got my ratcheting wrench here. Now, not much room, and should probably drain or get rid of a lot of coolant, a bit of coolant beforehand, or you're going to have coolant all over the place. Alright, there's the 13mm. So these pipes can, wait a second here. There we go. Just a little friendly persuasion with a hammer. That side out. And there's our thermostat. Looks okay. Seal is around the edge is all really compressed, so it's going to need a new seal on there. Got a new thermostat coming. This one looks fine, nothing obvious, but we're going to pop a new one in there. Reverse installation, or reverse removal is installation, and pop that back on. Remember to put those bolts back into the back of the head and slide everything back into place. All right, there you go. If you like this video, Please like and subscribe. It helps my little channel out. Really appreciate it. See you in the next one.